The first year, it was just my great-grandparents and their 7 children. But as the business grew, they started to pull in neighbors from their community. Now we're blessed that we're a team of well over 300 people, and we want to create a culture that makes them feel like they're a part of our family. As a family, our biblical principles, our faith is really important to us. We believe that we wouldn't have been here for 100 years without God's abundant blessings. And while we don't ask everybody to have our same beliefs, we do feel that our values are really important. And as the business has grown, we've been blessed to have other team members come in and join. We felt it was really important to establish values that reflect our principles so that we could all share in those together. At the heart of our values is the golden rule. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. And we reflect that in our core values of be safe, be thankful, be honest, be kind, be diligent, be unified, and have stick-to-it-iveness. We're blessed to live in the United States. The United States has the most secure and robust food supply chain in the entire world, and we're a key contributor to that. We're one of the largest food processors in the United States. We process great tasting, nutritious food that we get to distribute around the entire country. We've been blessed to be in business for 100 years, and our goal is to make sure that we're in business for 100 more. We can't do that without our customers, and so all we do is focused on exceeding their expectations. We do that by the biblical principles that we practice, and that's how we treat each other, that's how we treat our customers that we serve, the suppliers that support us. It's the great tasting, nutritious food that we produce, something we can be really proud of because we make great products that help families gather around tables, that allow them to eat at home, to eat out at restaurants. It's having exceptional customer service. And that's what really sets us apart from our competitors. How we serve our customers, how we go above and beyond to meet their expectations. And it's how we progress continuously. We haven't stayed the same for 100 years, and we're not going to stay the same as we go forward. It's finding a way, it's having stick-to-it-iveness, it's continuously improving so that we can be here for generations to come.